Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shriram Jayam Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Dhyayet Sarva Vighnopashantaye. Namaskar and welcome back to Amarabharati Samskrita YouTube channel. In the previous video of this playlist, we saw an English explanation of the lesson part of the first lesson of Manika Dvitiyo Bhagaha, class 10 Sanskrit textbook, Vaangmayam Tapah. In this video, we'll look at the exercises at the end of this particular lesson. Question number 1. Nimna Likhita Prashnanam Uttarani Ekapadena Uttarata. Answer the following questions in one word. First one. Ka asmakam sannidhim kuryat. Who should make her presence in us? The answer is Sharada. Who is goddess Sharada, goddess Saraswati, the goddess of learning. Second one. Kosha katham asti. How is the Kosha, that is a treasure. Apurvaha, which means unprecedented, extraordinary, unique kind of treasure. Satya samam kim asti. What is equivalent to Satya, truth? Tapaha, that is austerity, penance. Kidrishi vani purusham prahladayati. What kind of speech causes happiness in a person? Madhurabhashini vani, that which is sweet, gentle. Pathakanam kati gunaha shloke varnitaha. How many qualities, how many good qualities of a speaker are told in the shloka, in the verse? Shat. There are 6 good qualities of a speaker which are told. Swasya medhaya kaha padam adatte. From his own intellect, by his own self-discovery, who gets 1/4 of his learning? Answer is Shishyaha, which is a student. The second question. Adholikita prashnanam uttarani purna vakyena likhata. Answer the following questions in full sentences in Sanskrit. Bharatyaha koshaha kidrisha vidyate. What kind of treasure is that of Saraswati? Bharatyaha koshaha apurvaha vidyate. It's indeed unprecedented, extraordinary kind of treasure is given by Saraswati. Ke Bharati. Ke pathakaha gunaha santi. What are the qualities of a speaker, a good speaker? Madhuryam aksharavyaktihi padachhedaha suswaraha dhairyam layasamarthancha shat yete pathakaha gunaha santi. You look at the lesson video to understand the meanings of each of these terms. Santi dhiyaha gunaha ke santi. What are the qualities of a good intellect? Dhiyaha gunaha shushrusha, shravanam, grahanam, dharanam, uhaha, apohaha, arthavijnanam, tattvajnanam cha santi. There are 8 gunas, 8 qualities of a good intellect. Shishyaha vidyayaha arjanam katham karoti. How does a student acquire the learning, the knowledge? Shishyaha vidyayaha arjanam padamekam acharyat padamekam swamedhaya padamekam kalena cha padamekam sabrahmacharibhihi karoti. So the 4 parts of learning are from the teacher, by his own intellect, by over time, and sabrahmacharibhi, with fellow students. Fifth one. Kidrishi Sharada Sanidhim Kriyat. What kind of Sharada should make her presence felt? Sharadambhoja Vadana Sarvada Sharada Sanidhim Kriyat. Next one. Vaangmayam Tapah Kim Uchyate. What is that which is Vaangmayam Tapah? That is the austerity of speech. अनुद्वेगकरं सत्यं प्रियं हितं स्वाध्यायाभ्यसनं च एतेषां गुणानां वाक्यानाम् उक्तिः वाङ्मयं तपः उच्यते. Next question. Question number 3. Before we go to question number 3, we need to learn some interrogative words, some questioning words. Prashnavachaka padaha. Kaha and ka are who in masculine and feminine respectively. Kim is what in neuter. Kutra is where. Kati is how many. Kada is when. Kutaha is from where. Katham is how. Kimartham is why. Kidrishaha is what kind of in masculine. Kidrishi, Kidrisham are the same things in feminine and neuter. These words you should know by heart. Next, you should also know the Kim Shabda Rupas in Pullinga, Strilinga and Napumsakalinga. Pullinga, Kaha Kauke, Kam Kaukan, Kena Kabhyam Kaihi, Kasmai Kabhyam Kebhyah, Kasmat Kabhyam Kebhyah, Kasya Kayoho Kesham, Kasmin Kayoho Keshu. In Strilinga they are Kake Kaha, Kamke Kaha, Kaya Kabhyam Kabhi, Kasyai Kabhyam Kabhyah, Kasyaha Kabhyam Kabhyah, Kasyaha Kayoho Kasam, Kasyam Kayoho Kaso. In Napumsakalinga, they are Kimke Kani, Kena Kabhyam Kaihi, and so on. The remaining are as in Pullinga. From Tritiya to Saptami, they are as in Pullinga for Napumsakalinga. We'll see a few examples. Suppose what we have to do basically is we have to match the gender, number and vibhakti. That is the linga, vachana and vibhakti of the word with that of the word in the Kim vibhakti tables. So what does it mean? We have Raja. Suppose the word given is Raja here. We identify Raja as Pullinga, Prathama vibhakti, Ekavachanam. And then we go to the Kim Shabda in Prathama vibhakti, Pullinga in Prathama vibhakti, Ekavachanam. It is Kaha. So that's what is the question to be asked. That's the Prashnavachaka Pada. The same if you had Rama, which is Srilinga Pada in Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, then you have to have Ka as the question to be asked. Ramena is Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam in Pullinga. So what happens? Kena. Tritiya Ekavachana is Kena. That's what comes as the question to be asked. Kena. That's the answer to the question. Sharadaya, the same thing is Kaya. Tritiya Ekavachanam in Srilinga is Kaya. So it's just a matching of word in the table. So you have to remember these three tables very, very nicely. Tapobane is a Saptami, Pullinga Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So what happens is Kasmin is the word to be asked, Saptami Ekavachanam. Or you can also ask the question, where is Kutra? Kutra, where? Or Kasmin. You can ask these two Prashnavachaka padas, questioning words, Kutra or Kasmin. In a similar way, Sarovarasya is Shashti Pullinga, Shashti Ekavachanam will become Kasya. Devan is Pullinga, Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam will become Kan. Dhenunam, Srilinga Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachanam will become Kasam. Nagarat Pullinga, Panchami Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Kasmat or Kutaha. Kutaha means Kasmat is from where. So Kutaha we see here. Kutaha is from where. That can also be used. Or Kasmat, Panchami Vibhakti Ekavachanam in Pullinga, Kasmat can be used. Now we come to the question proper. Sthula Padani Adhratya Prashna Nirmanam Kurta. Frame questions using the underlined word, the highlighted word. Sharada Sarvada Asmakam Samipe Vaset. Sharada is a Srilinga Pada, Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So it should be Ka. Ka Sarvada Asmakam Samipe Vaset. You should not forget the question mark sign. Second one, Bharatyaha Koshaha. Shishti Vibhakti Ekavachanam will become Kasyaha in Srilinga. Madhura Bhashini Vani Purusham, which is Pullinga, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Ekavachanam, Kam. Madhurabhashini Vani, Kam Prahladayati. Next, Pathakasya Shat. Shat is a number. How many? So it is Kati. Pathakasya Kati Gunaha Santi. Satyena. So it is Kena. Means Tritiya Bhakti Ekavachanam. So it will become Kena. Very easy, isn't it? You just identify what is the Linga Vachana Vibhakti of this and match it to what is there in the Kim table. Anudvega Karam Vakyam. So Anudvega Karam is what type of it is told. So when we go back, we see what type of, what kind of, or what type of in Napumsakalinga is Kidrisham. So that's what will come in this particular answer. Kidrisham Vakyam Vaangmayam Tapah Uchyate. Ragasya, very easy. Vilomah Tyagaha Kasya. That's all. Vilomah Tyagaha. So you should not forget the question mark sign at the end of each question, each answer. Next one. Adholikitan prashnan yatha nirdesham uttarata. Do as directed. First thing. Apurvah koshoyam. Apurvah koshoyam vidyate tava bharati atra kriyapadam kim. In this sentence, what is the verb they are asking? The verb is vidyate, means exists. Vidyate is the answer. Prathame shloke kartrupadam kim. Who is the doer in this particular, in the first shloka is Sharada. Sharada is the doer in the first shloka. That is the kartru. That is the action person. Shitala chaya anayoha padayoha visheshya padam kim. In this particular thing, one of them is the adjective and another is the noun for which the adjective is pertinent, prevalent. So, which is the noun, which is adjective they are asking? They are asking the noun here. Visheshya padam, that is noun is the chaya. Cool shade, Shitala chaya, chaya is the noun. Udvegakaram iti padasya viloma padam patha chitva likata. Udvegakaram opposite is, viloma is opposite. Anudvegakaram, that's the answer. Shushrusha shravananchaiva grahanam dharanam tatha. Asmin vakye shrotum ichha ityarthe kim padam prayuktam. So desire to listen, shrotum ichha, sananta pada. So which is the word which is there in this particular phrase is what you say? Answer is Shushrusha. Shushrusha, Shrotum Michha, Shushrusha. The desire or willingness to listen. Vyayataha iti padasya viloma padam patha chitva likhata. Vyayataha, opposite word of Vyayataha. Vyayataha means spending. Opposite is Sanchayataha. That is accumulating. This is spending and that's accumulating. These are the 6 answers to the 6 questions. Next one. स्तंभद्वये लिखितानां समानार्थक शब्दानां समुचितं मेलनं कृत्वा लिखता means match the following synonyms. You have to match the same meaning words. They have given one answer. We'll see. Shushrusha is shrotum ichha. We can see here shrotum ichha. That is the answer. We'll see. We'll start with the easy ones and go to the tougher ones. Next easy one is Vadanam is mukham. That is the face. Vadanam means face. Next one, Vak is nothing but Vani, speech. Then Bharati is Saraswati. That is Goddess Saraswati. These are all the easy ones. We can make out very easily. Next, Sannidhim is Nivasam. That is the place of residence. Next, Padam is Chaturthamsham. That is 1/4 part is called as a Pada. Next, Uhaha is Pakshe Tarkaha. That is logic towards the in favor of the argument. Apohaha is Shanka Nivaranam. That is clarification of doubt. So we have all the answers to all the questions. Next, Atra Patitebhyaha Shlokebhyaha Kani Chit Padani Santi. There are some words which are given here which are from the shlokas which we have already studied. Tesham Visheshanani Adha Manjushayam Dattani. The adjectives of them are given in the Manjusha at the bottom. Tata Upayuktam Visheshanam Chitva Visheshyena Saha Yojitva Likata. So you have to you have to find out, you have to choose the adjective and match them with the proper noun here. Choose the right adjectives from the box given below. So here also, we'll start with the easy ones and go to the tougher ones. First one is Vaangmayam Tapah. That is the name of this particular lesson. So Vaangmayam, we just got removed. One struck off. We have only the remaining here. Next one, very easy one is Shitala Chaya. Shitala is also removed. Then we have Shitalam. See, one thing we have to note is that we have to try to match the gender, number and vibhakti. The Visheshana and the Visheshya will both have the same gender, linga, then number is vachana and vibhakti. So, Shitala Chaya and Shitalam Salilam. The both of them are Shitala, Shitala, Shitala only. But this is Shitala, which is Strilinga Pada, and this is Shitalam and Napumsakalinga Pada Salilam. Shitala Chaya, Shitalam Salilam. So 3 words have been struck off here. The next one is Sarvada Sharada. This is also gone. Then Madhura Bhashini Vani. Very easy to identify, right? Next we have Vidyasamam Chakshuhu. That's also here. Then there are only 2 remaining. Apurvaha Koshaha. Very easy. Priyahitam Vakyam. Beautiful. We got all the answers. Next one. Samana Bhava Mayihi Panktihi Yojayita. Match the phrases having equivalent or similar meanings. First one is, here also we'll see Nasti Vidya Samam Chakshuho. Here the answer is Sarvasya Lochanam Shastram. So there's Lochanam is nothing but the eye. Chakshu is nothing but the eye here. So Lochanam and I we match here. Nasti Vidya Samam Chakshu. There's no eye which is equal to knowledge. Sarvasya Lochanam. Everybody's eye is nothing but the Shastras or the scriptures. Next. Vyayataha Vriddhimayati. If you spend, it will increase. Datta Bhavati Vistrata. So when you give it, it will grow away. It will just grow. Vadanambuje Sanidhim Kriyat. Mukha Kamale. Vadana Ambuje. Vadana is Mukha. We saw it earlier. Ambuje is Kamala. Mukha Kamale Nivasam Kuryat. Make your presence in the lotus of my mouth. Madhura Bhashini Vani. Vang Madhuryat. Again, Madhura and Madhurya both are coming here, so you can match it. Purusham Prahladeti. Nanyadastiti. Madhura Vang Madhuryat Nanyadasti Priyatvam. There's nothing which is more dear than Vaangmaya. Padam sa brahmachari bhi. Shikshyate sa pati bhi. That's the only remaining answer. Next one. Rekha Chitram Purayata. Complete the figures. So Acharyat Shishya Padamadatte. First one is Swamedhaya Shishya Padamadatte. Next one Kalena Shishya Padamadatte. Then Sa Brahmachari Bhihi Shishya Padamadatte. These are the 3 answers. Then Yatha Madhuryam Pathaka Gunaha. Madhuryam is first one. Second one is Akshara Vyaktihi Pathaka Guna. Madhuryam Akshara Vyaktihi Padachhedaha Suswaraha Dhairyam Layasamarthancha Shadete Pathaka Gunaha. The next one Shushrusha Shravanam Grahanam Dharanam Uha Apoha Artha Vijnanam Tattva Jnanam. Very easy, isn't it? If you remember the shloka and write them in the same order, you get the answer. Next, Vakyamsham Purayata. Complete the sentence. Vyayataha Vriddhimayati Kshayamayati Sanchayat. Nasti Raga Samam Dukkham Nasti Tyaga Samam Sukham. Nasti Vidya Samam Chakshuho means Nasti Satya Samam Tapah. Acharyat Padamadatte Padam Shishya Swamedhaya. Very easy. Next, Shlokam Ashritya Samuchita Kramena Anvayam Purayata. Based on the shloka, complete the proper prose order or the Anvaya. This is also very easy because we have seen the Anvayas. He Bharati Tava Ayam Kosha Kaha Api Apurvaha Vidyate Ayam Vyayataha Vriddhimayati Sanchayacha Kshayamayati. Next one. Vidya Samam Chakshu na asti, Satya Samam Tapah na asti, Raga Samam Dukkham na asti, Tyaga Samam Sukham na asti. Yat Vakyam Anudvegakaram Satyam प्रियहितं च तथा स्वाध्याय अभ्यसनं च एव वाङ्मयं तप उच्यते. These are the three answers. Next one. अधोलिखित पंक्तिषु स्थूलाक्षर पदानां प्रसंगानुसारं शुद्धम अर्थम चिनुत. In the following sentences, choose the correct meanings of the bold words based on context. स्वाध्यायाभ्यसनं चैव वाङ्मयं तपः उच्यते. वाङ्मयं, they have given साहित्यम, वाचिकम, मनोमयम. Vaangmayam means it is something which is related to speech. So vachikam is the answer. Acharyat padamadate. Padam is shlokasya panktikam. Charanam chaturthamsham. Padam means 1/4 part, which is chaturthamsha. That is the answer. Madhuryam akshara vyaktihi padachhedastu suswaraha. Madhuryam is sharkarayuktam, which is filled with sugar. Komalataya varnocharitam. And madhurataya abhava. Abhava means absence of sweetness. The answer is komalataya varna ucharanam, means spoken in a gentle, soft, sweet manner. Sarvada is sarvada. Sarvam dadati iti sarvada. We know very easy, sarvam dadati. Sarvada. These are the four answers. Then the 12th question. Rekhankita padanam samasta padam vigraham va likhata. Write the vigraha vakya or the samasta pada of the underlined words. So, nasti vidya samam. Vidya samam is vidyaya samam. Vidyaya samanam is also possible. Vidyaya samam. Nasti tyagena samam. Tyaga samam. This is the vigraha vakya, and here is the samasta pada or the samasa. Shitala salilam is shitalam cha tat salilam cha shitala salilam. It is karmadharaya samasa. Chandanasya rasaha is chandana rasaha. 50th Purusha. Sarvada is sarvam dadati iti sarvadaha. Top, then that is the three pratyaya. If you apply, it will become sarvada. Sharadambhojam iva vadanam yasyaha sa Sharadambhoja vadana. It is bahuvrihi samasa. Anudvegakaram na udvegakaram iti anudvegakaram nai tatpurusha samasa. Na udvegakaram anudvegakaram. Now they have a small game here. Patitaha pata. We have studied the lesson. Idanim kridamaha. Let us play now. Sarve chhatraha vargadvaye vibhaktaha syuho. All the children should split into two groups. Valmiki Varga and Vyasa Varga. You should split into two groups, Valmiki and Vyasa. Each group, Valmiki Vargat Ekah Chhatra Prashnam Prachati, Vyasa Vargacha Kaschit Uttarati. Punascha Vyasa Vargat Prashnaha Prichyate, Valmiki Vargat Uttaram Diyate. Shikshakaha Anka Pradhanam Karoti, Sarvajikan Ankan Labhamanaha Vargaha Vijeta Ghoshyate. Means the Valmiki Varga student will ask question to the Vyasa Varga, and the Vyasa Varga will answer. If they answer correctly, then the teacher will mark 1 point to Valmiki Varga. In the same way, Vyasa Varga will ask a question and Valmiki Varga will answer. So whoever gets the more number of points, they will be the winner. Ambhoja iti shabdasya paryayah kaha. What is the synonym for the word Ambhoja? It is Kamalam iti. Sharadkalina iti kasya artha. Sharada padasya artha. Sharada Sharadambhoja visa, right? Sharad Rutu visa. Sharadkalina Sharad Rutu. Saraswatyaha kosha katham vidyate. What kind of kosha is the Saraswati have? Katham vardhate. So vyayataha vardhate. Only if you spend it, it will increase. If you store it, it will decrease. Saraswatyaha kosha katham vardhate. Kaya samam chakshur na vidyate. What kind of eye is not there? Vidya samam chakshu na vidyate. There is no eye which is equivalent to knowledge or learning or education. Kidrishi Vani Purusham Prasannam Karoti. What kind of Vani, what kind of speech makes a person happy? Madhurabhashini Vani. Sharada Sarvada Kutra Nivaset. Where does Sharada should always have to stay? Asmakam Vadanam Bhuje Nivaset. She has to stay in the lotus of her mouth, of her speech. Next one. Udvegakaram ityasya kaha vilamaha. What is the opposite of Udvegakaram. Opposite is Anudvegakaram iti. That's the Viloma, opposite. Saptame shloke chaturthamshaha kasya arthaha. In the seventh shloka, what is the meaning of chaturthamsha? It is jnanasya padamiti. That is 1/4 of the knowledge which a person gains in his life. 1/4 comes from the teacher, 1/4 comes from his own intuitional flash, and 1/4 comes from um, discussing with classmates, and 1/4 comes over the passage of time. I would like to tell you one thing about this intuitional flash, swamedhaya, whatever is told by his or her own intellect. See, there are several things, lot of scientists, you know, Einstein, C.V. Raman, and so many scientists are there who have discovered so many things. Everything has come from their own intellect, swamedhaya only. So you should, as far as possible in your life, try to use that swamedhaya, your own intellect. Maybe one of you will also get a Nobel Prize or a great mathematics prize later on in your life. You should get, I wish that you get it by using swamedhaya, your own intellect, your own self-discovery, your own intuitional flash. You start using it today, and one day you will be very famous. I'll assure you. Uhaha shabdasya kaha vilomaha. What is the opposite of uhaha? Opposite is apohaha iti. Buddhehe prathamaha gunaha kaha. What is the first quality of buddhi? It is shushrusha. That is the willingness, the desire to listen. So this brings me to the end of this exercises video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share this video. See you in the next video with the next lesson in the same Manika textbook. YouTube Amara Bharati Samskrita. Shubham Bhuyat. Mangalamastu. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu.